Hi there, this is Ben with Shirk Photography, and I want to give you a brief demonstration of my Breakthrough Series templates. In this series, there's a variety of different sports, and they all work very similarly as far as the layers. All the templates feature some kind of sporting texture up top that you can easily change the color in. Then there's an awesome scene within the background, again, easily change the color there also. And there's some kind of sports floor going on in the scene. These templates are built to be simple and easy to insert your subject and modify very quickly. This smaller subject here, there's a text box that hides the feet so you don't have to draw shadows. You can also, another option would be to place them down a little bit further so his feet are off the scene and just make them a little bit bigger this way also. So two different options to place that center subject. And then this background subject, you can either have them facing off to the side, which I kind of prefer, a kind of more dramatic look where they're kind of thinking more about the game or performing some kind of action. You can also have them looking directly at the camera here. In this one, most people don't notice, but it's the exact same guy, so you don't even have to have two different views. You can just replicate it and make the second one a lot bigger. There's a third option where you can just include one subject also. As I mentioned, this is super easy to modify, so I'm going to go ahead and do that quickly. I'm going to prep this for just inserting one subject. I'm going to shut off the background subject, open up this, and shut off my other sample subject. Now I have a subject already extracted, drag and drop him into the template, and position him where I think he looks good. So once I have him placed, I can easily change any of the colors and text within this template. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll show you exact steps for changing any of this. I'm going to go ahead and select both my foreground text and the upper text in here, and then go to my characters tab, and I'm going to change all the colors right at once. I'm just going to select a color from his jersey, maybe make it a little brighter, and use that color. Then I'm going to go back to my layers tab, and I am going to go ahead and change the colors within this template here too. So this middle scene here, I just open up the middle scene folder, and there's my color picker. I can just double click on here, it opens up, and again I can pick a blue that I want to see, and just like that. And this bottom scene has still a red free throw line that I can go ahead and change if I want to, or I can leave it red. You can pick whatever color you want to. I'm going to go with a blue to match everything else going on in the scene. And often I love this look of the white top and bottom. It's very classy, but if you want to go brighter team colors, I can certainly do that. I'm just going to pick a color directly from his jersey. This is great too. Otherwise I can change that upper scene to a yellow also. And it can be as simple and easy as that to modify this template. And just a reminder, these templates work great for a variety of different sizes. There's a standard proportion template which prints your typical 8x10s, 5x7s, 4x6, 20x30s, all the way up to 10-foot banners with these. There's also a panoramic version that's included, which is a long skinny version in case you want to do something where it's extra skinny. These templates have a ton of impact and are very flexible. Hope you love them.